Change management in the COVID era. A strategic shift in the people management perspective. A project by Rajat Kapoor. Hi, I'm Ellen. And I am going to walk you through this quiz. If subscribed, the course that follows this quiz would help you develop a high emotional IQ and assist you in managing your direct reports, leadership and colleagues better during the present COVID crisis. Please type in your name below and click on the Continue tab to attempt the quiz. Welcome to the course. I would now show you some of the associated terms that you will come across in the course. It is a good idea to pause and hover or tap over them. Now that you are familiar with the associated terms, let's warm up with a short quiz as a precursor to the course. Question 1. Work visibility principally tends to be a primary concern of the management, the employee. Question 2. Can presenteeism in the office, work or team environment be considered a positive trait? Yes, it can be a positive trait. No, it is a negative trait. Question 3. According to you, virtual skills have now more than ever become supercritical business competencies in the post-COVID era for the employees, the management. Question 4. Do you think the present pandemic situation could pose a serious challenge in the attainment of the office targets that have been mapped to you by your organization? Yes, I think so. No, I don't think so. Question 5. Office readiness is the ability to be task-ready and efficient with the reporting and other official requirements even during the odd business hours. Has it been negatively impacted due to the pandemic? I see no such difference. Yes, it has been negatively impacted. Question 6. Is the threat of job loss psychological or real? The term psychological above does not imply hypothetical. Psychological. Real. Question 7. Should the susceptibility to COVID-19 at workplace be considered a key factor that is leading you away from performance at work? Yes, the susceptibility to coronavirus is impacting my performance. No, it does not impact my performance. Question 8. Do you find it hard to adjust to the new work-from-home surrounding? For example, concentrating on a report while taking care of your kid? No, that does not make a difference to me. Yes, I find it challenging. Question 9. Do you feel that the present status quo outlook of your company management is good enough to keep you motivated and in high spirits? No, I am dissatisfied with it. Yes, it is good enough for me to be happy with my job. Question 10. With the shutting down or reduced transactional flow in the pandemic hit sectors such as tourism, hospitality, entertainment etc., many recessionary changes have kicked in. For example, pay cuts, layoffs, shutdowns, work from home etc. Are you able to adapt to these easily? No, I find it hard to adapt to the new realities of the pandemic hit world. Yes, I have been able to adapt easily to the new realities. That was a warm-up quiz. Your present score in the quiz has a pertinent insight that I am going to share with you now. Let us have a look at how the score is perceived from the emotional quotient, EQ, and the people management skills perspectives. Your score lies in one of the 5 ranges. Please view the associated comment corresponding to the range pertaining to your score. If you've scored in the range 80 to 100, then you possess a highly evolved mind conditioning for EQ and people management skills. If you've scored in the range 60 to 80, then you possess a sharp aptitude for EQ and people management. If you've scored in the range 40 to 60, then you demonstrate a keen aptitude for EQ and people management. If you've scored in the range 20 to 40, then you can work to improve your EQ further. If you've scored in the range 0 to 20, then you can work on your EQ seriously. Thank you for participating in the quiz. Change Management in the COVID Era: A Strategic Shift in the People Management Perspective is a course for developing a high EQ in your people management skills as a professional. You will learn and apply crucial concepts like self-awareness, emotional balancing, immersive empathy, personal leadership, and more. This project is a brainchild of Rajat Kapoor, who is a subject matter expert in soft skills and corporate communication excellence. To find out more about the project or this course in particular, email at rjtkpr76@yahoo.com.